a cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini afros, big lips, got tips, some of us don't, big nose contours, some of us won't, never wanna pass in a video, bro, wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, wanna put pretty in a Marty.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from Outre. They sent over one of their units in the style Jeannie, and I got her in the color DRST Chocolate Swirl. Of course, I'll make sure to have all of the other colors popped up here on the screen for you all. This unit is a part of their Perfect Hairline collection, meaning she is going to be a lace frontal unit of a 13x4, meaning you are going to get 13 inches going across the front and then 4 inches going straight back for the parting space. This is how the unit is looking on the stock card. Again, I did get that DRST Chocolate Swirl, and that's what she's looking like. This is how she's looking in person. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but the base of the unit is pretty much, I would say, is like a number 4, and then it has like these really pretty caramely, like hazelnutty, like highlights throughout the entire unit. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. It also comes with adjustable straps here in the back, and then it also comes with a pre-attached security band as well. The cap on this unit is a breathable cap, which is perfect for these spring and summer days that we have ahead of us. Outre has really been killing it when it comes to the pre-pluckness of their units, and in all honesty, like, I'm not mad about it. The texture of this unit is definitely giving silky. I wouldn't necessarily say that she's like Barbie doll silky, but she comes pretty close. Another thing is, I'm not really sure if it's my lights or if it's the unit, but I do feel like this unit is like very shiny. Like, I don't know. Hopefully by the time that I like install this unit, I will have made up my mind, and if I do feel like she's like just too shiny for my liking, I'll go in with a little bit of dry shampoo to kind of like dull that shine down. But girl, that's enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and install this unit. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Outre. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with y'all. When I first put the unit on, I was just like, this is about to give auntie. And not like cute auntie, but just like, you know, auntie. But after I did my makeup and everything, I'm like, okay, no, she's cute. I really only have one con when it comes to this unit, and that would be that this unit does snag. And when I say she snags like crazy. So if you plan on picking up this unit, I would highly recommend keeping a wide tooth comb on you at all times, because maybe she can get a little rough. I know earlier I was speaking about the luster on this unit, whether I liked it or whether I didn't like it. In all honesty, I do think that it's just more so my lights, because like looking at it now, I feel like it's fine. It looks like it would be like a very healthy unit, if you know what I mean. As far as the density is concerned with this unit, I would say that you can wear her year round. She seems very light, and like I said earlier, the cap on this unit is very breathable. I'm absolutely loving the color blend on this unit, but I mean, like, let's be real, when it comes to Outre, they hardly like ever miss when it comes to the color blends. Now, I will say that I do think that the DRFF4 / copper balayage just like just probably eat down, but I am also someone who like really likes a copper moment when it comes to a wig. Ooh. Now, you know, we always got to talk about whether a unit is big head friendly or not, and would I consider this one big head friendly? Not necessarily. She is currently sitting on my head comfortably, but just know that the adjustable straps are sitting on the furthest loops outwards. So yeah, depending on where you plan on picking up this unit from, and also how fast you want this unit, it can retail from anywhere from $35 all the way up to like $48, I believe. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Let me know how you guys feel about this unit down in the comment section below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I don't have anything else to say though, except for, yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.